Welcome back to Long Life Quest, where we decode the science of living longer and better. I'm your host, and today we are diving into the single most powerful, most underrated longevity tool in existence. One that costs nothing, requires no prescription, and yet delivers benefits that no supplement or therapy can replicate. I am talking, of course, about sleep. Not the hurried, restless hours you might be scraping together between deadlines and scrolling. I am talking about deep, restorative, life-extending sleep. In this episode, we will explore the extraordinary benefits of quality slumber and give you a practical, science-backed roadmap to achieving it every single night. So, if you are ready to unlock one of the most potent levers for extending your health span, stay tuned. Let us begin. Sleep is not passive rest. It is not the absence of waking life, nor is it a nightly inconvenience that steals time from productivity. On the contrary, sleep is your body's most powerful, most sophisticated repair mechanism, a biological wonder fine-tuned by millions of years of evolution. While you drift into unconsciousness, your brain and body are not shutting down, they are ramping up. The brain, that 3-pound universe inside your skull, begins its nightly housekeeping, flushing out metabolic waste products that accumulate during waking hours. Among these is beta amyloid, a protein strongly linked to Alzheimer's disease. The glymphatic system, a recently discovered waste clearance pathway, becomes hyperactive during deep sleep, effectively pressure washing your neural networks and preserving cognitive function for decades to come. At the same time, your hippocampus, the brain's memory center, replays the day's events, consolidating short-term recollections into long-term storage and weaving them into the fabric of existing knowledge. This is why a good night's sleep sharpens recall, boosts creativity, and enhances problem-solving ability. But the benefits do not end at the neck. Below the brain, your entire physiology undergoes a nightly renaissance. Growth hormone is released in pulses, stimulating cellular repair and tissue regeneration. Your immune system releases cytokines, proteins that target infection and inflammation, while your body produces more infection-fighting T cells. This is why a single night of poor sleep can reduce your immune response by as much as 70%, leaving you vulnerable to everything from the common cold to chronic inflammatory conditions. Your cardiovascular system also reaps profound rewards. During sleep, your heart rate slows, your blood pressure drops, and your blood vessels relax, giving your heart a much-needed respite from the relentless demands of waking life. Over time, consistent, high-quality sleep reduces the risk of hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. Even your metabolism is recalibrated. Sleep regulates the hormones that control hunger and satiety, ghrelin and leptin. When you are sleep-deprived, ghrelin spikes, driving cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods, while leptin plummets, leaving you feeling unsatisfied after meals. This hormonal imbalance is a direct pathway to weight gain and metabolic dysfunction. In short, every system in your body depends on sleep for optimal function. Yet despite these extraordinary benefits, millions of us treat sleep as negotiable, a luxury to be sacrificed at the altar of productivity. We scroll through screens deep into the night, consume caffeine well past noon, and wonder why we wake exhausted. The truth is, sleep is not a luxury. It is the non-negotiable foundation of longevity, health span, and daily vitality. And achieving it is simpler than you might think, provided you are willing to make a few deliberate changes. The first principle is consistency. Your body operates on a circadian rhythm, an internal biological clock that craves regularity. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, anchors this rhythm and improves both sleep onset and sleep quality. Your brain learns to anticipate rest, releasing melatonin at the right moment and cortisol at the right moment upon waking. Irregular schedules, on the other hand, create a state of perpetual jet lag, confusing your internal clock and degrading sleep architecture. The second principle is environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, as a slight drop in core body temperature is a natural trigger for sleep onset. The third principle, and perhaps the most challenging in our screen-saturated world, is light hygiene. Blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and laptops tricks your brain into believing it is still daytime, suppressing melatonin and delaying sleep onset by up to 90 minutes. Commit to a digital sunset. Power down all screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Replace scrolling with reading a physical book, gentle stretching, journaling, or simply quiet reflection. This wind-down period is not empty time. It is essential preparation, signaling to your nervous system that the day is ending and that rest is imminent. The fourth principle involves what you consume. Caffeine has a half-life of approximately 5 hours, meaning a cup of coffee at 3 in the afternoon can still be circulating in your system at 8 in the evening. Cut off caffeine by early afternoon and be mindful of alcohol as well. While alcohol may help you fall asleep faster, it fragments sleep architecture, suppressing REM sleep and preventing the deep, restorative stages your body needs. Keep evening meals light and finish them at least 2 to 3 hours before bed, as heavy digestion can raise core body temperature and interfere with sleep onset. Finally, the fifth principle is mindset. Treat sleep not as the end of your day, but as the beginning of your next one. Every hour of quality sleep you earn tonight is an investment in your mood, your focus, your immunity, and your longevity tomorrow. Consider this. You spend roughly 1/3 of your life asleep. That is not lost time. That is the foundation upon which the other 2/3 are built. Prioritize it. Protect it. And tonight, as you close your eyes, know that you are not merely resting. You are repairing, regenerating, and reclaiming your health, one night at a time. If you found this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Long Life Quest for more science-backed strategies to extend your health span. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below and tell us, what is your biggest challenge when it comes to sleep? We read every single one. Thank you for watching, and remember, every decade is a new opportunity for vitality. Sleep well, and we will see you in the next one.